Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to increase your typing speed. Let us start with the first one. For example, when you are writing a document here and suddenly you did something wrong. For example, I write down here together and I want to delete this word. How can we delete this word? To speed up the process, usually what we do, we use a backspace. This each time we have to press down the backspace, but if we delete the whole word, you only have to do control backspace and it's gone. Control backspace again, you can delete the whole word. And if you want to delete the whole line, you can use the shift home and then backspace. The whole line is gone. This can increase your typing speed. You can download Typing Master. You can see here it's studying. You can first study how to press down the key, how to use the keys in a proper way. You can use, for example, it shows me a little finger for A and this finger, right finger, L, and the thumb is used for usually for space bar, and again A for, and accordingly you can learn the process how to speed up your typing speed. And the second thing, most important thing, if you see on the keyboard, you will see that the F and J keys have little line on the top of it, so that you can feel that your finger is on the right key. Right pointing finger is for J and the left pointing finger is for F. Accordingly you can see whether you are at the correct position or not, whether your fingers are at the correct key or not. That will also help you to understand the keys. And always focus when you are writing something. Focus on that. Don't distract your attention on other things. That will lose your focus. And the other thing I will discuss here, that there are some websites. For example, this website keybeer.com. You can practice here. It will also help you to speed up your typing speed. Here you can see on the right side, practice. It shows you LAT. Again, don't look onto the keyboard, otherwise you will always looking on the keyboard and you will not increase your speed. Always look on your screen. First you have to practice, as I have showed you in some softwares. On that you can practice, and accordingly when you remember your keys, accordingly you can increase, you can write down the thing, you can write down the characters without looking onto the keyboard. This is the website where you can practice. There is also one more website which is very famous, that is 10fastfingers.com. Here you can see this website, start typing speed. For example, being thing he live been accordingly you can write down and increase your typing speed. One more thing you have to note down, that don't be panic if you are writing, if you are pressing wrong keys. It will help you to not do it again, because when you remember the mistakes, you can learn from your mistakes. So I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.